Hi everyone, come to the accounts class. So in this session, we will discuss about the sacrifice ratio or sacrificing ratio. For that related to sacrificing ratio, as per the examination point of view, we will solve 6 mark questions. Before that going 6 mark question, first of all, we need to know about the meaning of this ratio. The meaning, the sacrifice ratio is a ratio in which the old partners are sacrifice or surrender their part of profit to the incoming partner on the event of admission. This is what called as sacrifice ratio. So in the business organization, the old partners, whatever the entire profit they are sharing, out of that profit, they are sharing to the incoming partner, not entire profit, some salt, some part of profit only they are sharing to the incoming partner. This is what called as the sacrifice ratio. For the calculation of sacrifice ratio, there is a formula. Sacrifice share equals to old share minus new share. This is what formula for the calculation of sacrifice ratio. So by the way of using this formula, easily we can ascertain the sacrifice ratio. So now we will solve one question that is related to 6 mark question. So all of you observe the question. Here Dinesh and Mahesh are partners. Here Dinesh and Mahesh are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2, this is what whole profit sharing ratio. When the business organization there are only two partners means on that time they are sharing entire profits in the proportions of 3:2. They admit Ramesh into the business. So here is Ramesh. Ramesh is a new partner. After that admission of Ramesh, the new ratio was agreed to be 5:4:3. 5:4:3. This is what new profit sharing ratio. As per the given information, one thing, old profit sharing ratio is available and the same being new profit sharing ratio also available. Now what we need to calculate? Calculate the sacrifice ratio. For that calculation of sacrifice ratio, first we need to apply the headline. As per the given information, old ratio is available, right? 3:2, this is what old profit sharing ratio. Calculation of sacrifice ratio. This is what headline. Under that, they given information. That information, I mean available data. Old profit sharing ratio is available, right? The old profit sharing ratio 3:2. And the same be after that admission of a new partner. Who is that new partner? Ramesh is a new partner, right? The Ramesh, after that admission of a new partner, the ratios will be 5:4:3. This is what given data regarding calculation of sacrifice ratio. Now we need to apply the formula. Sacrifice share equals to old share or old profit sharing ratio minus new share or new profit sharing ratio. This is what formula for the calculation of sacrifice ratio. First we need to identify. First we need to calculate the Dinesh share of sacrifice share. First one. Dinesh sacrifice share equals to Dinesh sacrifice share equals to 3:2. This is what world profit sharing ratio rate. Dinesh and Mahesh both are world partners. So 3:2. This 3:2 we can convert as a ratios means 3 plus 2 5. 3 divided by 5 is to 2 by 5. And the same in 5:4:3. 5 plus 4 plus 3 total 12, right? We can convert as a ratio means 5 divided by 12 is to 4 divided by 12 is to 3 by 12. This is what ratios of partners. So as per the Dinesh partners share, the Dinesh partners share, so world share of Dinesh, world share is 3, right? 3 divided by 5 is the share of Dinesh. World share minus new share. What is the new share of Dinesh? 5 divided by 12. World share minus new share. So whatever the data they given, we have utilized for that calculation of sacrificing ratio. But in the denominator fractions are unequal. The odd number and even numbers are mixed, right? So in this situation we can't be able to identify the LCM factor. In this situation we need to cross multiply. How we need to cross multiply means 5 12s are 60. 5 12s are 60 and the same in 3 12s are 36 minus 5 5s are 25. So in the denominator fractions are unequal means in this situation we need to cross multiply. So 5 12s are 60, 5 5s are 25 and 3 12s are 36. This is what calculations. So 36 minus 25, it is a differentiation amount 11. 36 minus 25, 11 divided by 60. 60 divided 11 by 60. This is what share of Dinesh. The next partner Mahesh, right? Mahesh sacrifice ratio. First of all, what is the world share of Mahesh? 2 divided by 5 minus what is the new share of Mahesh? 4 by 12. Here also the denominator fractions are unequal. Odd number and even number both are mixed, right? So in this situation we can't be able to identify the LCM factor. So that's why we need to cross multiply. So 5 12s are 60. So 2 12s are 24 minus 5 4s are 20. 24 minus 20, the remaining balance 4. 4 divided by 60. So 11 divided by 60 and 4 by 60. So 60 cancel means 11 is to 4. Sacrifice share of Dinesh and Mahesh will be 11 by 60 is to 4 by 60 or 60 cancellation means 11 is to 4. This is what sacrifice ratio between Dinesh and Mahesh. So this is what related to 6-mark questions. So in the upcoming session we will solve some more questions related to this sacrifice ratio. Thank you, students.